Who do y'all think y'all are? Y'all want this bad? Y'all want to put together... Thank you. How do y'all do this? I made the freaking short yesterday. How do y'all put this much love in? I put the thing short yesterday. Y'all doing too what? Seriously, I didn't even know people even watch my video, shorts or in videos. Since y'all blowed it up, well, subscribe too. If you're subscribed, if your like button and comment button is red and your subscribe button red, you made a mistake. So since y'all put so much likes in that short, I'm going to make this video early. I can do it here. No. Get the break in. Come on, you. Nobody wants to talk to me like that. We can break in. Fine. There's that Luigi guy though. I'll knock him out. Go knock him out. Okay. Oh shoot, there's others too. What? You should stop twice before you broke into my house. Now you will pay. Tails, I need your help. Yeah. Can you bring me your pliers, please? Sure. Thanks. Well, what do we have here? No, please. No, please. Ah! Bzz, bzz, bzz. Ah, 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 ah. What's all that noise? I just fell because I broke my heart. Sonic, your Tails. Ah! One of our guys. What? I'm busting in there. Huh? Wait, see there, hear that? Okay. These are all the remaining pieces of him. Oh, somebody help me! Before I finish this, y'all thought Luigi actually was not dead. Don't worry, he's not dead. Why would I do that? Just, no, please. Listen, no. Luigi will never die. No, he wasn't even about to die. No, you just locked him up. Okay, continue watching. Bye. Well. Look who we have here. A bodyguard. You make a good bodyguard, but not for pros. You should think twice before you do stuff. Shush! Stop miming. You can not leave here. Well, maybe Tails can find use for it. Tails! Where's Sonic one now? I'm looking at my security camera. Zzz. 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 Zzz, zzz, zzz. Where is this boy? Zzz. Intruder detected. Intruder? I've been waiting for those all year. It's time to go into my secret base and see what you're doing. Oh, shit, there was no fire storming. Disgust. Oh, that little bug. What is he doing? I'm here. What do you want? Luigi, we have to get the others. Okay. They captured Luigi? No, I didn't get to everyone else. Can't believe they don't see this. Like, I should probably. Oh, yes, yes, back. Where's the other dude? He's coming. I'm back from vacation, finally. Finally just chill and relax. For real. Yeah, it's been a long. I've been there for a long time. Nice, I'm gonna go to sleep. Oh. I'm gonna go to sleep too. What do I? They are despicable. Oh, I'm out. I'm secretly hiding it. I need to hide. I'm gonna choose the secret lab. Yeah, we got so much bombs. Luigi, where did you come from? Sonic, I need to talk to you in the back room. Okay.